Now, good morning to the morning group and good afternoon to the afternoon group. How are you? And we're going to talk about our feelings. That means how we are feeling. Yes, and if you look at these people here, they all have different feelings. You can tell from their faces what is their attitude. That's how they are feeling. Well, let's have a little think. Now, look at this child here. How would you think she is feeling? What attitude has she got? What is she feeling? Look at her face. I think she's happy. Yeah. Oh, look at this child here. Oh, look, she has her hand in her mouth. I think she might be hiding. She might be feeling scared. Maybe she's playing hide and seek and she's scared she's going to be found. Ooh. Anyway, that's how she's feeling. Oh, look at this person. How do you think that person is feeling? I don't think they look happy. I think they look, here's a word down here, angry. Maybe somebody spilled something, or maybe she can't find what she's looking for, and she's a bit angry. Now, feelings. Look at this person. How are they feeling? This little person here, and she's sitting down, and she has a sign that says, thank you. So do you know what she's feeling? Well, here's a big word here. It's called gratitude. Gratitude. Can you say it? Gratitude. Gratitude. Now, gratitude means you're being thankful. So at the end of every day in Early Start, we always say thank you to the leader. And the leader always says you're welcome, because the leader always shows us what to do. So we are being thankful. We are showing gratitude. And here's some pictures of some people being thankful. This little boy, he's out in the rain. It's lashing rain, look. And he has his coat on and his wellies. He might be cold. He might be freezing because it's very rainy. But look, he's happy because he knows that the rain makes the earth clean and beautiful. That without the rain, there'd be no grass, there'd be no bushes, and there'd be no trees. So even though he's getting wet, he's thankful because he knows that the rain is a good thing. And down here, this boy and the girl, they're hugging their mummy as they're showing that they're so thankful for all the things she might do for them. And these two are pals. We all have pals, and we should be thankful that we have somebody who we can play with. Our pals, we're being thankful, and they're giving each other a hug to show them they're thankful. Now, have you got an attitude of gratitude? Gratitude means you're thankful. Attitude is how you are feeling. So do you feel thankful? Do you have an attitude of gratitude? Do you say thank you? Are you thankful? Well, why should we be thankful? Well, what makes us thankful? Well, our families would make us thankful because they look after us. We have somewhere to play, and that should make us thankful. We have things to eat. That should make us thankful. So if someone gives you your dinner or your supper or your breakfast, you should always say thank you. And look, in our house, we all have toys we can play with. So somebody got us those toys, and we should be thankful. And we can show our thanks by giving someone a hug, saying thank you, thank you. And that's being thankful. Because being thankful makes the world happy. If everybody is thankful, everybody would be happy and smiling. Look at that. Look at all those children. They have an attitude of gratitude, and that makes the world happy. So, you big noodles, I hope yous have an attitude of gratitude. Okay. And I'm going to say thank you. I'm very thankful that you listened to me today, and that's made me very happy. Thank you very much. Right. I'll talk to you later.